Welcome back to Art of Nunchaku, Lesson 11. Today I'm going to go over one of my favorite changeover moves. Now, this is a grip change, and this allows you to change directions and reverse the momentum of the flow of what you're doing with the sticks. So today's grip change has 4 different applications, okay? So we're going to start out like this. Your dominant hand, I'm right-handed, your dominant hand here, basic position. And the grip change we're going for here is if you invert the sticks, take your offhand away from you, palm away, and grab below. That's your grip change. Because from here, we're going to let go of the dominant hand. Okay? So there's 4 different applications on this grip change. First one is coming around the waist, from here to your left waist, to your left hip. And here, grip change happens right at the hip. And from the hip up, just spin up into your fighting position. Second application, you're going to start in your right-handed fighting position here, and you're just come diagonally down with the sticks to your left hip. Back to your left hip again. And from there, we're going to go to our grip change straight at the left hip and come up into your fighting position. Grip change down here. Okay, so you got those 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. The next 2 are for your legs. Okay, so we're going to start on our left leg. We're going to do 2 hands and we're going to wrap it around the knee, forward and back. That's how we're going to start. And when you get to the inside of your thigh, what I want you to do is, that's where your grip change happens. Ready? Here, here. And from here, we just come right up in your fighting position. Inside, inside, inside. This allows you to reverse momentum, change direction. The other way is to do it on your other leg, is to grip change here on the right leg, the close leg to the dominant hand. So instead of coming across and doing it here, we're just going to do it here. Close in, grip change, grip change. And from here, we're going to bounce right up into our fighting position. So, do it from behind, ready? Now the trick with all of these is when you do the grip change, is you sort of bounce the sticks against your body. You bounce it against your knee, you bounce it against your hip. A little body language, and this helps make the stick bounce off your body and come out of it. So this is the most versatile grip change that there is. It allows you to change directions, and it adds a really different, nice element to your motions here. So good luck with this one. It's a good one. Respect.